there, girl. It's okay. Let's get this off you. Easy. Almost done. Here we go. You're free now. Got your babies right here. Let's get you all someplace.
From today, you are with us.